Eventually, we arrived at the location for our first test. It's one of 78 centres around Chongqing where teenagers can learn to drive away from the traffic. To us, however, it looked like a racetrack, which made it perfect for an ingenious handling test that I just thought of. Now, to do this, we're going to use drones like this one, which have been fitted with flamethrowers. They actually use these in China for clearing litter that's got stuck on overhead power cables.
Right, so how are we going to use airborne flamethrowers like this to test the power and agility of our cars?
Good question. Each of our cars has, as you can see, been fitted with 3 chains of firecrackers. One on the bonnet, one on the roof, one on the boot lid, OK? So you drive round a special course here while you're attacked by the airborne flamethrowers. And then you score a point when you've finished for every one of the targets that haven't gone off. Since we were up against 2 geeky millennials and we'd be driving powerful Western saloons, we figured we could outrun and outsmart the drones easily. Sadly, though, it was a massacre.
Ah, fire from the sky!
There's the drone on my left, the first one.
Oh, God!
God's sake! Fire everywhere!
Oh, God!
Bandit at 10 o'clock.
Oh, no! Oh, shit!
That'll have alarmed him.
It will have alarmed him, son, yeah.
You know, dogs don't like fireworks.
No, they hate it.